to be seeing some by LNER, CrossCountry, yes, Durham, TransPennine, and Northern as well. So, that all being said and done, oh, obviously you can't come to without mentioning the world's first passenger motorcycle. Well, one end of it was here in Darlington, so. Right, so, now that's been said, let's see what shall turn up here in Darlington. my time here at Darlington is at an end. I probably would not recommend their station simply because of the lack of rate that comes through. However, that being said, if you time it well, you do get a passing Lumo service. Or two. But for me, it was just the one. So, we were supposed to have 156421 head out with 1422 to Saltburn. However, that got cancelled because of points failure in the Dinsdale area. So, fun and games for that. So, luckily it was rectified quite quickly, and the passengers on that were told to get off and get the 1455, which has come from Bishop's Auckland. So, essentially meaning that, because why would you have two services in quick succession? Unless you have one, say, doing prime stations. So, for the Stopburn line, that would be what? Middlesbrough, the Eagles Cliff, Thornaby, and Saltburn, and then you maybe Redcar Central, and then you have
the next train to arrive at
the 1455
LNER
as sort of stopping service, doing all the stops.
Durham, Newcastle,
Well,
and Edinburgh.
with the exception of Teesside Airport, which has currently been mothballed.
12 to 10. Standard class in
I believe Northern want to reopen that.
13.
However, they can't because health and safety. Health and safety say the footbridge over the between the platforms is unsafe. Yeah, shows how much we live in a nanny state. But the flip side of that is we don't live in a nanny state. The road signs they just say hazard. You know, the road signs have the exclamation mark on it, saying saying what hazard it is, or they're not doing anything about it. Now, so I might as well say, random accidents ahead, life's a lottery, be lucky. Although it could be worse. The council to put those random hazard sign up could just put a sign up saying sign not in use, or this sign costs 500 quid. Because why would you put a sign up saying either of those things? But I'm getting getting far from Darlington. I'm going on waffling about road signs. Mainly because I need to beef this video up a bit in terms of video length. So, what I'm going to be doing now is getting the 1509, I believe it is, LNER super service up to my next station, which is going to be Darlington. You're at Darlington, you idiot. Okay, you've been up for 5 o'clock this morning, haven't you? Yes, I have. Up to Durham, which will be the penultimate station for the East Coast Mainline mini-series. After Durham, it's then Newcastle, filming there. After Durham, and then a flight home this evening on BA. Hopefully BA don't cancel my flight like they did last week, because I was supposed to be flying back from Belfast to Heathrow with BA. Last week they cancelled my flight. Yeah, and I was left having to spend €96 on a last-minute Aer Lingus ticket back from Dublin, and having to figure out how I get to Dublin as well. So, yeah, right. Shame on you, British Airways, for cancelling my flight and not giving me my money back, along with all the additional expenses incurred. Right, I'll see you all next week at Durham.